Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I guess 1 month back I did an Amazon haul video in which I did not open some things that were related to like room decor and storage and stuff. So I had said that I will be making another video wherein I will be creating all the that particular rack from the pieces itself, and I am going to open it in front of you guys. So today's vlog style video is about that. I will be creating that rack. It's I think post 1 a.m. but anyways, we're going to move ahead with this vlog. And yeah, I just got done shooting this makeup look for YouTube, and yeah, so let's just start. I'll just show you what my room looks like right now. It is a wall mounted shelf that I also got from Amazon, so you just build it up and you install it. So this shelf was just like there, and I had put some things over there. So I just wrapped this shelf up with these LED lights, which looks very beautiful when I turn off the lights. Since right now there is no light coming from outside, I'm shooting in the night time. This is my ring light. I was shooting a video over here, and that's my study table. The wall is completely empty, so I'm definitely going to do something with that wall. And this part is like my wardrobe and stuff, and that is my standing mirror, that's a pot, and that's a rug. And I am going to do some changes that I'm planning for the room tour and stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. This is my just messy cupboard, which we will be decluttering pretty soon. And this is the Amazon rack thingy. The pieces are inside it, so we are going to build it from scratch. So I thought that why not just do it on the blog itself. And yeah, so you'll get an idea of how this turns out. That's the room situation, and I'll just show you how those LED lights look on the shelf with the lights turned off. Just a second. So it looks pretty cool. Wait, I'll just turn the ring light off as well. So if you see, that is how the shelf looks in the night. And I also have a Google Assistant bulb thing over there. That's a lamp. For today's video, we are going to make this Amazon rack from scratch. So yeah, basically at that point when I purchased this rack thing, I thought that I will require like more space to sort of use for decor in my room, but I think I'm fine with how minimalistic it is right now. But I just think that in a few days time I will sort of think that, you know, I want to put more stuff in, like stuff like that. It's a better idea that at least I fix up the rack, and then I can figure out what to put on it later on, if that makes any sense. So in today's video we are going to make this rack from scratch. So if you're interested to see this rack making process, then please continue watching. Here's a mess today, but yeah, let's just like roll with it. I will also be linking this rack thing down below, so if you like how it turns out, then yeah, you can check it out. So yeah, let's just first cut it open.
Moments later. More moments later.
Okay, so this was a pretty inexpensive rack, I'd say, in comparison to all the ones that I saw. This was, I think, close to like 470 or like 500 bucks, which is very cheap for a rack. So it is not something that you can, it is not like a heavy duty rack. It is just for like putting your very lightweight decor stuff. So yeah, I'll just like open this up and then get back.
One eternity later. Eventually.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've unboxed this thing. So essentially it was like a when you enter the house and you put like a shoe rack over there, it's like that. So it is able enough to take like weight of your like home shoes and stuff. But I thought of using this as a multi-purpose thing. Of course you can use it in any way you like. Yeah, so there are like instructions of how to make this thing. It is not going to be very tall, it is going to be very short heighted, so preferably I have made some space in my room that I can keep this thing over there. Yeah, so it was very inexpensive, and I'll just open and show it to you what the contents of this bag are. Hopefully it's going to be pretty simple. So yeah, I think they have multiple colors and stuff in this, so I can choose accordingly. I chose like this baby pink or like light pink sort of a color because it goes with my room aesthetics and stuff, with the wall color and all. And yeah, because essentially I want to keep my room like grays, light pinks, like purple and stuff, and on that tone. So yeah, this one I ordered in the baby pink shade. So these are the first contents out of the box. There is some more stuff like the rods and all. Okay, I think we'll be able to do it. It's a pretty simple DIY sort of a thing, so you do not need like complicated yeah, so you basically do not need engineering skills for this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and make this thing. So I think, okay, there is no instruction pamphlet whatsoever inside, so I'm just going to follow the pictures of how they've made it. So the first picture is definitely the contents that I already took out. Then okay, looks pretty simple. So let's see, it is going to be looking something like this. Like these will be the two side portions, and then we're going to join it with the steel rod sort of situation that they have given to us, and then we use the cloth thing to wrap it up and make like the stack situation. There will be no confusion as all of these are of the same size. So the next step is inserting these cloth like things on these rods. So basically, like this has like this hollow situation over here, so I need to fit the rods inside this, so they will be sort of the base for each rack or each shelf in the rack. So if you see that the Z is also not very sturdy, so yeah, just keep these things in mind if you are looking to purchase this sort of a shelf. Yeah, so now is the time to fit the other portion. I'm guessing, yeah, that's the next step. The three are pretty straight now, that they can sort of hold weight. This one is yet to be put, so it is like crumpling over here. I think we're done. So I think the way it looks in the picture is exactly how it turned out. Okay, so this is how this shelf or rack thing turned out. Let's just do like a weight test of what it can hold. So I'm just going to test by placing random things on it. So let's say, yeah, the pen stand, it can hold. Okay, other than that, that bottle vase thing also it can. This hand cream also it is capable of holding, which means it can hold sort of considerable weight. But like, don't put very heavy stuff over here. And yeah, it's a stack of 4, and that's the height of it. Not very tall, I'd say. Like, just compare the height of this shelf with this, so it's basically half of that. Yeah, I'd say you can go for like cute side stuff that you can place over here on the bottom racks as well. You could put like these small decor stuff if you wish to, Otherwise you could use it like a normal shoe rack as well, because it can hold like your basic slippers and home shoes basically. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool, not bad. So I'm still figuring out where I can place this thing, because I have all these like short decor stuff over here, or I could just place it right where I showed it to you, beside the mirror and stuff. So yeah, this piece is pretty lightweight, and like you can just carry it around anywhere. You could use it as a shoe rack or anything that you'd like. Like weight wise, I knew what to expect, so yeah, keep that in mind as well. And yeah, I think not a bad purchase at all. For now, that is where I have placed the rack. I am going to find a suitable and respectable position for this in my room, and when I figure out what to keep on it and other things like that. So yeah, you will definitely see it in the room tour, which is coming pretty soon. So before that, I think I will share with you how my room has transformed from when I shifted over here, and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty excited for that, because I'm still yet to do that wall. I have to put sort of some mirror stickers that I got again from Amazon. So I think I will also be sharing that process of putting the stickers over there and the frames, etc., because I have to do a lot, and I think I can never get satisfied with how my room looks. I'm like constantly, yeah, I can do these changes and I can put this and this stuff like that. So I have ordered some more fairy lights for my room, because I love how the look turned out for the wall mounted shelf. And yeah, I think that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If there is anything else, and if you have tried some very affordable shelf things out of Amazon, and if you know like other room decor stuff that you purchased out of Amazon and it was amazing, then do comment down below, because I absolutely love room decor stuff. And I think if you follow me on Insta, you'll know how many times I've changed like the arrangement of my room. This is not what it looked originally, and I constantly try and experiment with what to keep where to place my like study table and stuff. And like I have two big glass windows as well, like two that's the corner of the room where two glass windows meet, and I have a lot of light in the daytime, so I figured out that my study table would look there the best. So I like constantly experiment with where to place what. I absolutely love the lights, the dim light settings in the room with all the fairy lights and like bulbs and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned for the room tour and the room transformation. I will be sharing more like ideas, like DIY and stuff like this. So this was a very affordable shelf that I built in front of you, and yeah, so if I find something interesting similar to that and related to room decor, I will definitely order it and show it to you on YouTube. Like that shelf that you saw with the lights on, it's also purchased out of Amazon. I will link it down below. If I am definitely experimenting still, I am trying out more stuff, and yeah, so if I do figure something out, and if you would like to share with me something that you ordered out of Amazon in terms of room decor and you extremely liked it, then please comment down below and let me know. And I love to check those products out, because I am definitely on the lookout every time I find something new and interesting. I really want to try it out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was a very simple sort of a building this thing with you vlog. I wanted to do more with the room and decluttering and stuff with you, but I don't think today is the day for that. I think we'll do the decluttering video in a while, after some time. So if you did enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified about when I upload the next video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.